We're back for another challenge night at Boss Pro Karting. We got a really interesting layout. Got 12 people here tonight, 2 groups of 6. Let's see how this goes. Gotta try to hug this outside. Let's try to get as many places as we can. Yep, give me a little bump there. Give me a little bump. Yes, thanks for the bumps. Thank you. Thank you. Cart might be a little down on power. I can't tell. Oh, this is 22. Yeah, it kind of usually is a little down on power. Oh, boy. I am not sure where we're going to be able to pass people on this course. It does not seem... it does not seem very likely that we can pass people. I don't know where it's going to happen. Because you can't really dive right there, because then you end up on the outside, which is obviously not ideal. Number 14, I'm going to need you to make a move here. Oh, you went a little wide, bud. You went a little wide, but it's okay. I didn't have enough room to close the gap. If you're new here, and you like what you see, make sure you drop a little like. If you want to see more, make sure you click the subscribe button. It would help me out greatly. Really appreciate that. Every little bit helps. If you do end up being a subscriber, I hope that you don't step on any Legos accidentally today. And if you're watching, don't subscribe, well, you better watch your feet, is all I gotta say. Oh, boy, okay, yep. Good time for me to ramble, huh? At a time where I probably need to pay attention. Yeah, this course is very hard to pass, I think. I don't know where I can even pass, especially with my cart a little down on power. Yes, get to the outside there. Oh, great move, bud. Great move. Ow. I messed up. Yes, keep battling. Let me get in there. Let me get in there. Man. Couldn't take advantage of the lack of speed. Oh. All right, okay, not too bad. All right, we're back for qualifying race 2. We'll see how this goes. We're in reverse now. This thing does not want to turn left, I feel like, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's go! Okay. Had to do a little break there. Okay. Okay, good. All right, we're braking away slightly. Oh, this gas pedal sticks. That's good. All right, we just gotta hope the cart is fast enough to stay in the front then. Oh, God, we slid. Maybe we gotta brake a little more than we have been. Also, that might be the pedal sticking, too. Okay. Alright, I think we might be pulling away. Maybe. We certainly got a big lead, I'll tell you that. Ooh, that feels so smooth. I think as the grip comes up, I will be able to take that full speed. Wish I could see what our times are. Yeah, we're close to full speed there. Yeah, this is not going to be a very exciting race. I have a feeling. We need to get closer to that if we can. I am just hitting everything. We're trying to cut as much as we can. Ooh, that feels so good. We aim for this over here so that we can take you at a wide angle. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that feels so good. I think we have just the right amount of drift there. Yeah, I don't know if, even in reverse, I don't know if there's a place that's going to be able to be passed, to be honest. Because, like, everyone's full speed all the way through here. Like, I don't know if there's a place to pass. It's crazy. We may need some jokers somewhere to be able to make some passes, to be honest. Oh, good luck. Yeah, good one, good one. Good race, good race, good race. We're back for the feature race. Who qualified third? Qualified third. So that's cool. We have a joker lap added, which is going to be needed because it's very hard to pass on this course. Okay, well, we're just going. All right. Oh goodness, what just happened there? Oh goodness, everyone is brother, stop it. People do not know how to use brakes back there. Well, what? Would really love it if, I know Dave already took his joker lap. I really do not want to take a joker lap. What the heck was that? Brian just get turned in like this like straight section? What the hell? Or the, come on, Dave. Come on, bud. Oh, your car's a little slow. I'm sorry, bud. I am gonna have to find a way around you, I think. Sorry, Dave. That was not intentional. Oh, God! What is happening back there? We got... Oh, God. Dave! Alright, we're just gonna go then. We're just gonna go this way. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, well this has not been a ideal start, that's for sure. But I got some space. I can make up some space. We're definitely faster at these sections than the people in front of us. I'm pretty confident. Oh boy, there's someone there. Okay. 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 Okay, I don't know how many laps are left in this dang race. Hello, Brian. How are you? Yep. Yeah, come look at me. Yeah, give a good little look. See that I'm behind you? Yeah, there we go. What? We got no white flag.